But anyways, if you guys really like this look, you guys should keep on watching because it's a nice look. No, I do not show my foundation in this video because it's so... I showed it in my last video, so keep on watching. Hey guys, today I'm just going to be filming another video. I'm not going anywhere, but I really feel like doing my makeup. I really just tape this in. Why won't I? I am going to take Brick and I'm going to put that above my crease. Also, I am using the same palette. I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette, Second Nature. So that color is pretty blended throughout my crease. So next I'm going to take... Lately I've really been into oranges instead of reds. Normally my favorite color is like reds for eyeshadows, so yeah, I'm just being weird lately. I'm going to take the color Rich and I'm going to put that directly into my crease with my Wet n Wild brush. It's very fluffy and it's just very fluffy, and it has some color in it. I don't know what from, but I'm going to wipe that off. I'm going to mark where it's supposed to go and then I'm going to blend that in. Guys, literally, I'm just like playing as I go, and I think I like where I'm going with this. So I'm gonna just keep following it because I think it looks actually really nice so far. Yes, Mom? My eyeshadow's becoming like blotchy in the corner and I don't know why. And I think it all started with like my primer. I used Smashbox primer, eyeshadow primer, and it did that. So, and it's not doing it on this side, so I don't know. It just looks a little gappy. I don't really like it. Just lay on it so it's there. Next, I'm going to take Universal and a little bit of Orb right here, and I'm going to put that on just my lid. Next, I'm going to take a Wet n Wild fluffy eyelid brush, and I'm just going to take Universal and a little bit of Orb, and I'm going to put that on my lid straight up. No, I'm not doing any like cut creases this time because I just really want to see how great these colors like blend together just for a lid look. And I haven't done like a normal lid look in like months actually. So next I'm gonna take a Blaze, which is this really beautiful orange color right here, and I'm gonna put that straight onto my lid because it's such a pretty color. Now I'm going to go back into my Wet n Wild flat concealer brush. Yes, this is a concealer flip brush, but I made it really fluffy so it works like as an eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to go into that same color and like drag a streak of that color down. Now I'm going to go back into Brick and I'm going to put that up high above my crease again. I'm gonna go into Ruby and mix that with Wiz. Wait, is this no? I'm gonna go into In the Zone and Wiz, and I'm gonna mix those colors together. I'm gonna put them on the outer corner of the V of my eye. I'm gonna use my really tiny Eco Tools brush, and I'm just gonna dot the black there first. And I'm gonna take my Eco Tools brush, that's just like an eyeshadow, normal eyeshadow brush. I don't know what type this is. I'm gonna dip it into In the Zone, and I'm gonna go straight on top of the black and blend that in. This eye is having like so much trouble with blending in, and I don't know why. I think it's just how I primed it and did my concealer. I didn't do anything different, I don't believe, but it is really affecting it. So I'm gonna dip into Universal, go on top of it, and try my best to fix this up. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Eco Tools, really tiny brush, and I wipe the black off as much as I can, and I'm going to go into the color Pure, and I'm gonna put this on my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm gonna take my finger and go into that, what's the name? A Blaze, and I'm going to like just tap this on the center of my eye because the color is not showing up as pigmented with while I brush it into my eyelid. And guys, in my last video, you guys are probably like slightly appalled because I used my fingers to blend out my foundation, but with mousse foundations, whenever I use a brush, I guess I don't have like a good brush for mousse foundations, but when I use a brush, it looks disgusting. When you're holding on to everything that stops. Next, I'm gonna take my Mary Kay liquid liner in the shade Black, and it's an eyeliner pen, which is my favorite type.
I like my girls just like I like my honey, sweet, little selfish. I like my women like I like my money, green, little jealous.
Okay guys, I'm done with my eyeliner. I really hope I didn't get in the way of myself because I love doing that whenever I film my videos. But anyways, I'm gonna do my foundation. Hey guys, I'm back. I just did my foundation, my bronzer, and all that sort of stuff. And now I'm just gonna do my under eyes. First, I'm gonna take my Ulta black eyeliner pencil and I'm gonna go into my outer V of my eye. And I'm gonna take Brick and go under my full under eye with this. I'm going to take a Wiz and put that on the outer V, bottom of my eye. I'm going to take the color Brave, and I'm going to put this under my eye but closer to my lash line. I'm going to take this Stela glitter liner . Next, I am going to take my Becca highlight in the shade Opal. Comes with a leaky cute little tiny mirror. But I'm going to take this in the shade Opal, and I'm going to take my highlight brush that I used to put, oh my, look what I just did. I just did that. Now I'm going to take Better Than by Too Faced, and I'm going to put this on my lashes. Next, I'm going to put on the Ardel lashes. I'm going to take this, and it came with some glue that I hate the smell of, but whatever. Rimmel London. I'm gonna line my lips with Rimmel London in Ravish and 057, and then I'm gonna fill in with Pout Maker lip contour crayon in the color Perky. Hey guys, yes, this look is finished. I didn't know what I was doing until I got to the end, but it looks really nice and it came together very well. I think that's like all of my videos I do that with. I don't really know what I'm doing until the end, so yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like. Make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button to show your love and support for my channel, because my channel needs it. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day or night wherever you are, and peace out.
I like my girls just like I like my honey. Sweet, little selfish. I like my women like I like my money. Green, little jealous. 'Cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful mess, but I'm funny. Oh, I'm a heartbreak red with a stone cold neck, yeah, I'm charming. All the pretty girls in the world, but I'm in this space with you. Call it out the lines, I can't define. My fire will stay with you. Heart it will stay with you. Fly great escapes with you. I count down to the clock, say you away and walk away. Or would you wait for me? I go out to the bar, fuck hanging with the stars. Don't even have a car, but you away from me.